Every post is an opportunity to make a sale, but only if customers can easily take the next step. Let's see how the social selling feature on Elapix helps you do just that. From the sidebar menu, go to social selling. This feature allows you to connect your Elapix store to your social media, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and also a generic link. When using it for the first time, click Setup on any of the social platforms. Enter your username or handle and click Save. That's it, configured. Now you can easily share a product from here. Select the product you want to post and it will automatically generate shareable captions and links for each configured social media platform. Now let's see how these links work. For the generated Instagram link, you can easily copy this caption and post. There are also image crops of your product you can download and share. When a customer clicks on the link or pastes it in their browser, it takes them directly to the product on your website where they can easily add it to cart. For WhatsApp, you even get a click to WhatsApp deep link. When customers click it, they are taken straight to your WhatsApp chat with a ready-to-send enquiry message for that particular product. The best part, every link includes a tracking token. So when a customer buys, you know exactly which social media platform drove that sale. With Elapix social selling, you can promote your products across all your social platforms while sending customers straight to checkout.